Welcome to my channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Right now I'm in the center of Mandeville town, so I'm gonna explore land for sale in Battersea, Mandeville, located at lot 13, Research Terrace, Battersea, Mandeville, Manchester. Beautiful residential lot, quarter acre, lot 10,839 square feet. So welcome to my channel, guys. So I'm gonna take you on the tour to that location in Battersea, Manchester. So right now I'm in the middle of the town. And it's about 7 minutes drive to that location in Battersea. So you know, you have town center is very near, and also the hospital. I know everyone will live close by a hospital to the town center where you can do your shopping. So I'm just giving you a tour of the town. So I'm gonna make a right turn to take you on to Caledonia Road. So beautiful Mandeville, Manchester. Nice weather in Mandeville. So thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm heading to Battersea in Mandeville. The land for sale is located at lot 13, Research Terrace, Battersea, Mandeville, Manchester. It's a residential lot, quarter acre. The lot is 10,839 square feet. So on the right is the Mandeville Regional Hospital. So it's very close to the location in Battersea. turn. We'll take you on to New Green Road. So I will leave all the details in the description, so you can check out the description for the contact number. If you want to get in touch with the owner of the land. So we're having some beautiful weather this morning, and it's about 7:37 a.m. So I'm gonna make a right turn onto Kendall Road. And also this location where I'm going in Battersea, it's very close to Winston Jones Highway. It's about 2 minutes drive to Winston Jones Highway. So I will keep left onto Kendall Road. So if you make a left turn, this will take you back to Winston Jones Highway also. So it's very close to Sugar Research Subdivision. So we are going to Research Terrace in Battersea, Mandeville, Manchester. So we're gonna make a left turn to Research Terrace in Mandeville, Manchester. So I am now on the street going to land for sale. Look at the pretty views. So in about a second or two, we're gonna reach our destination. So welcome land for sale in Mandeville, Battersea. So where I'm at, I'm right at the location. So I'm gonna give you a view of the land.